Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today we are doing the Saturday Stamping Group video. This week's theme is birds. So I am going to do owls. So I am using, I'm not sure, I've got 3 different Pretty Fingers by Robbins plates. And I'm not sure which images I'm going to use yet. But I figured I'd grab them all. So there's that one. And then this one, it has other wildlife like deer and stuff on it. So that's really pretty. And like trees. And then this is her little bird one. It's got some nice bird houses. And I like the branches on it. So that's perfect. So, and yes, I'm still sick. So, these are the colors I'm going to use. They are from Madame Glam. And the green is Urban Green. And then the beige neutral color is New Me. These are their Korean gels that are new-ish. Hang on. Okay, sorry. I just had to grab my notes. They're from the Confetti Dreams collection. And there's 6 creamy gels and then 2 glittery gels. I only have 5 of the creams. I'm missing a few of them. But Madame Glams are 12 ml bottles. They're vegan, cruelty-free, 21 free, and palm oil free. So that is what we are using today. And I'm actually going to matte the light colored ones, the New Me, because I'm going to do some watercolors with these. It should work on the lighter colors, so we're going to experiment. So I'm going to matte these out, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so they're all matte. They look so pretty matte. So I'm going to use Maniology. This is Delirium. It's like a purpley gray. I didn't want to use black because I thought it would be a little too stark. So that's why I figured I would go with that. So it kind of, yeah, it's not so stark then. So I'm just going to get the 2 nails. So, oh, I got this plate. Okay, so I really like this owl. And I really like him. He's kind of cute. I don't know how they'll fit. Now, with Pretty Fingers by Robbins Plate, I don't know if you've noticed, but she does combinations. So she does big images and small images. So this little owl with a teacup, he's big here. But if you look over here, he's little. And then this one with the flowers, he's right here. So she does that quite often. Sorry, my throat's kind of. So she'll do that. So like this one is over here. So, and then this one is over here. So, if you've got small nails, that'll fit. If you've got big nails, it'll fit. So, oops, I haven't cleaned this one properly. I haven't cleaned all my stamping polishes yet. I've got most of my regular polishes done. So let's try this one first. And sometimes what I'll do is, if the big ones are too big and the little ones are too little, I'll shrink the big ones a little bit so it's kind of in between. So I've done that quite often. So I'm just going to get rid of all the items I don't want. so he'll fit there. So I'm going to put him down. He's cute. And then I really like this one. I thought it was quite pretty. I like the flowers. So I'm hoping it'll fit on the next nail. Trying to be very careful. Okay. Oh, he'll just fit. Look at that. Okay. Oops. So there's the one hand. And then, hang on one second. Okay, so I'm going to do with this little owl with the little pillow, because he's quite adorable. Yeah, so I feel better. I'm tired. I didn't sleep last night. I coughed a lot last night. So I went and I got some cough medicine, so I'm hoping I'll get a better sleep tonight. But yeah, I'm so tired. But I don't have the fever and I don't have the runny nose. I'm going to put him on the smallest nail because he's kind of tiny. So this way I can find a bigger image. One sec. Okay, I'm going to grab this other plate and I'm going to use this owl for this nail because it's got the branches and everything. So, you know what I just realized? I haven't even got out my cotton claw yet. I haven't cleaned off any images. So, oh, stamper. I'm like, where's my stamper? So, okay, so I center where I want him. So there he is. Okay, one sec. Okay, so I've got them all stamped. Now I'm going to use my watercolors. Now I got these ones from Dollarama, which is a dollar store here in Canada. But I've also gotten some off of Amazon, and I've also got some from Michael's Canada. They all work really well. Like the one from Amazon was quite expensive, but really, honestly, these cheap sets work great. So, if you know, cheap is in your budget or inexpensive, then do that because I'm all about saving money. Okay, so we're gonna do this guy first. So I've got a little thing of water. I got some paper towel. I got my little water pen. I actually haven't stuck any water in it. I guess I could, but I'm not going to bother right now. So let's do his teacup. We're going to do a blue just to kind of give it some color. And if I keep putting you on hold or pause, it's because I got a cough. Sorry. The more I talk, the worse it gets. So it's so if I'm quiet for a while, that's why too. So sometimes I like doing this versus doing reverse stamping. Sometimes I just find this easier to do. It's just like coloring in. Oh, my tummy is growling. Oh. Yeah, I've been so sick. I haven't really been eating much. My husband's been getting on my case. I'm like, food just doesn't taste like food. I mean, it tastes like food. I just don't have the energy to eat. So he was giving me heck. He did make me a nice stir fry for dinner, so trying to get me to eat. So I'm just doing some orange over top for his nose. You probably can't see it all that well, but you know. So I'm going to go with the lighter brown. Probably can't see all the colors, but yeah, I kind of tried to pick palettes that had a lot of nice colors, and I went back to, I guess I got to keep going back to Dollarama and looking. I've been to 3 Dollaramas to see if I can find this watercolor palette again. When I was there was a stack of them, and you know, I was being frugal and I only bought one. Like a dumbass, I should have got them all. So I could have saved them for giveaways. I'm so sad I didn't do that. So, but if I see anything cool like this again, I am definitely gonna grab enough. One for me and one, you know, 1 or 2 for giveaways. So, and that way I have cool things for my giveaway. So I'm gonna do white for his eyes. Just fill in. Okay, I'm just gonna do some white here just to kind of break up the color. But that looks cute, don't you think? Okay. Okay, so now flowers. Let's do purple, because purple is my favorite color. So we'll do purple. So I'm just trying to see if there was leaves there, but now if you do it too dark and you think, oh, I can't see my lines, you can totally go back. I'll show you in a second, because I don't think we can see. So I'm just gonna get a little bit of water and I clean off on my brush, and then I'll go back and then I'll kind of tap off on my paper towel, kind of dry it out. Whoop! Don't throw the brush away. And then it'll lighten up the lines. So if you make a mistake, you can totally, the more water you put on, the faster it'll come off. So, and then let's just add a little of the other purple, a lighter one, just to kind of give it some depth. Okay, and then I'm going to get a green. So I'm going to go over these ferns a little bit, just to kind of give it some color. And then there. And then we're going to go in with a lighter brown. And then paint him. And one nice thing also is you can, if you leave like a wet spot, so if I do that, it'll be darker, and then when it dries, it kind of looks like you've got more dimension. Okay, so I want a lighter green or lighter brown. So what I can do is I can get some brown there, and then I'm going to get some white. I probably put way too much there. Yeah, it's too okay, so I just I just kind of wanted to give it a different color, but now it's going too dark. So I can go white over top. I should wait though until it's dry because now it's okay. Let's dry that a little bit. Okay, let's move on. Okay. So there. And then I'm going to go in with the green. And we're going to add leaves at the end. I think I should have grabbed a glass of water and had some water here. There. It's kind of putting some orange in his nose, but you can't really tell. Okay, so this guy, I'm just going to kind of go and just add some more color. And I'm going to add some darker brown to his body. So his face is light, but his body's dark. There. Okay. Okay, and then one last owl. And then what color pillowcase? I don't want to do white. Maybe we'll do blue again. Just, we'll do a light blue this time. Just to kind of give it some color. And this cutie's hugging his pillow. Oh, my tummy's really growling. Tonight was actually the first time I actually almost ate a full meal. So my tummy's like, what the heck has just happened here? It's like you fed me. What's going on here? Okay, so now, so I put a darker brown. And I'm going to do up here with a darker. Okay, so I just went in again and made it a little darker. And then I probably got a little too much, so I'm going to take a little off, but I'm going to kind of feather it down. And then I'm going to do white for his eyeballs. And then sometimes, like if my brush isn't pointy, I don't know if you can see this, I'll go like this on the side of my dish just to kind of make it pointy again. And then I can go around his eyes. And I can go in with a light brown. And see, my brush is split again. So I just rub it on the glass. And it will make it easier to paint with. And just drawing a little orange beak. Okay. So there they are. I think they're adorable. And I thought these colors were kind of perfect because they were more earthy. They just reminded me of nature. So I really like these colors together. So, Okay, so I'm going to let these dry, and then we'll come back and top coat, or I'll base coat and then top coat, and then I'll show you the final look. Okay, so hang on. Okay, so here they are. They are all finished. So the green ones I just top coated, and then the owls I base coated and then top coated to seal them in, and I think they turned out super cute. I love these colors together. They're very, like I said, they're very earthy, very outdoors, like very nature. So, so this is the set that I came up with for this week's theme. Um, as per usual, I will have the collage photo coming up, and then everybody's individual photos that participated this week. And then I will have links to their videos down below, along with products that I've used. And then I will have Daisy and Pippa. Okay, so thanks for hanging out with me while I do this set of nails. And then hopefully I get my voice back and I start feeling better. So, yeah, anyway, thanks for hanging out with me while I do these nails. I hope you guys are doing well and you are staying safe. Okay, I love you guys. And remember, be someone sparkle. Bye. Delicious McCrab can be hard to put down. Do this. Do this. So will these juicy eggs do a juicy bite. Obviously, for the McCrab fans. See, I told them to just do little things. Yeah. Do this. The new BMO Eclipse Rise Visa card rewards you with points for paying your bill on time every month to help build a routine. Daddy didn't say for you. Just remember, is a talk. Bank helps you make real financial progress. That's the BMO effect. I know, I'm trying not to. So Daddy gets you riled up. Hey, stop.